Hello traders, you're welcome to this video, and in this particular video we are going to be discussing the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So basically the bullish engulfing pattern is a pattern that is easy to spot. Yes, you can easily find the bullish engulfing pattern, although it does not occur all the time, but the bullish engulfing pattern is one of the most common bullish reversal patterns. So how it works is that the bullish engulfing pattern usually swallows up the previous sell candle. So you had a sell candle just before the bullish candle, and the bullish candle swallows up or engulfs the bearish candle that was just before it. Let us look for very good examples of a bullish engulfing pattern. Let's look for good examples quickly. Okay, right, we can see an example of a bullish engulfing pattern right here. So like I said, the bullish engulfing pattern is such that swallows up the previous bear candle. You can see that when the price of the bullish candle opened around here, it opened somewhere close to where the previous sell candle closed, and then the low of the bullish engulfing is somewhat below the low of the previous bearish candle, and then the high of the bullish candle is above the high of the bearish candle. So this is an example of a bullish engulfing pattern. It usually indicates a bullish move. It usually indicates a bullish move, as we can see that right after the pattern formed, the price went up, although the price retraced back towards this level, but the bullish move later continued all the way up. So had it been we had entered a buy trade around here after the bullish pattern formed, we would have set our stop loss. A good place to set your stop loss is right below the previous support level. So we would have set our stop loss below the previous support level, and then our take profit could have been at the next resistant level. We can see that there is a resistant level around here. You can see rejection and rejection, right? So had it been we had taken this trade, entered a buy around here, and reading this move all the way to this point, we would have caught about 300 pips, which is a good one. Okay, so let us look for another example of the bullish engulfing. Another example of a bullish engulfing. So basically, the bullish engulfing pattern is used by traders who are looking out for either bullish continuations in a buy trend or the start of a bullish trend at the end of a sell trend. Okay, at the end of a sell trend, you can find a bullish engulfing form, or at the continuation of uh, a buy trend, perhaps after a pullback. Okay, we can see another bullish engulfing, just like I said, that in a buy trend, you can find the bullish engulfing representing a continuation. You can see that right after the sell candle, the bullish engulfing formed, representing a continuation in the buy trend. So had it been we had entered a buy right after this, we would have set our stop loss below the swing low, and then our take profit could have been at the next key resistant level. You can see the next key resistant level. So we would have ridden this all the way up to this point, which would have given us about 590 pips. So we would have we would have caught about 590 pips if we had entered this buy trade. However, the stop loss would have been just about 340 pips, while the take profit would have been at almost 600 pips, right? Okay, that is a good one. Now, one thing for you to note is that it is always good to get additional confirmation. For example, after a bullish engulfing pattern forms, you can also decide to wait for other confirmation candles. For example, you might want to see another bullish candle form before you enter the buy trade. So had it been we had waited for another confirmation from a candle, we would have perhaps entered the buy trade here after this other bullish candle formed, right? Or we would have decided to wait for two extra bullish candles, which would have been entering around here. But the more candles you wait for, the lesser your profit target is going to be. Okay, because if we had entered after here, our target would have reduced to about 530 pips. If we had entered after this one, our target would have been perhaps, okay, if we had entered after this one, it would have been about 530 pips. But if we had entered after this one, after this candle, it would have been around about 500 pips or 490 something pips, right? So another way to get extra confirmation is by using some indicators, such as you can use stochastic oscillators, or you can use the relative strength index. Let us just use the RSI in this particular video, right? So when you find the bullish engulfing pattern, when you find the bullish engulfing pattern, you want to see the RSI trending in the upward direction and to display or to further support that bullish momentum. So when you see the bullish engulfing pattern and the RSI is also trending upwards, then it's a sign that you could enter. It's like an additional signal that you could enter the buy trade. Okay, now let us look for another example. Let's look for another example. When you find when you find the when you find the bullish engulfing pattern, when you find the bullish engulfing pattern, you want to make sure that the RSI is trending upwards, so that after the pattern forms, you can then enter your buy trade and set your stop loss below the support level. You can see there is a support level here. There's a support level here. You set your stop loss below that, and then your take profit can be at the nearest resistance level, which is going to be somewhere around here or here. So had it been we had entered the buy trade here, we would have caught about 128 pips. So guys, that is it for the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Just note that it is a bullish reversal pattern. It helps to identify when a bullish move is about to happen right after a bearish move, or a bullish continuation after a pullback in a bullish trend. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it insightful. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will get updated on further videos that I upload. Cheers guys, and happy trading.